Sunshine Squad, it is Jazzy and today we are back with another video. We are going to be discussing all my favorite summer cosplays. Okay, let's be real, not all of them, but I will be telling you guys about 5 awesome, amazing ones that are great for summertime, some that I will also be doing, so without a doubt, let's get right on into it. But before we do that, if you haven't seen my video on all the amazing spring cosplays, shameless plug, check it out, right there. Click the card. You know you want to. So let's get started. Okay, number 1 on the list is going to be Wonder Woman. Wonder Woman is a great cosplay. First of all, it's very minimalistic, so it's not a lot of armor. I mean, the armor is very light, so it's not going to be really heavy, but there's not a lot of it either. Whether you're doing Wonder Woman in the decades in the comic books or you're doing Wonder Woman from the movie, it's still not going to be a full body outfit. So you will have room to breathe because it can get hot depending on where you live in the summertime. And it's also a really great one for summer photo shoots. Just the second one that you guys can do is Kita from Atlantis. Kita from Atlantis is a cosplay that I have been working on and I still have not finished, but I will be doing soon for a photo shoot, so stay tuned. And what's great about that cosplay is it's really easy to make. You can literally take a blue bathing suit and some fabric and make it whatever. You could use E6000, like you really wouldn't even need to sew it. That's how easy this cosplay is to make. Most of it is focused on her hair and the body paint. There's a lot of backdrop options that you could use and a lot of places and locations that you would be able to scout to use depending on where you live, because there's a lot of scenes in the movie Atlantis. If you have never seen it, it is also very, very popular cosplay to do. So that's another great one that you guys can do for summer. Number 3 is Moana. Okay, so let's just talk about it. I've done it. If you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on Insta. Shameless plug. If you follow me on Instagram, you would see that I did actually do Moana for C2E2 this year, and Moana is one of my favorite. It was so nice because that convention can get so hot, and being in a cosplay that was breathable with her grass skirt and very minimalistic, and it was very nice because we were dancing, we were moving around, we were running around from this room to this room to this room to this panel to this meet and greet to sign this autograph. It was nice to be in something that would breathe. So it's a good cosplay. If you're going to be outside in the summertime, you could do a beautiful beach photo shoot with it, which would be awesome. Maybe on my list of things to do. So Moana is a great one. Plus Moana is a great movie, and the thing that I love about this cosplay the most is that children love it. So people will actually think you're Moana and they'll want to take pictures with you and they'll want to like meet Moana, and it'll be like, it'll make their whole world. We're like Disney princesses are celebrities to kids. I'm just saying. So that's a good one. Number 4 is the Muses from Hercules. Yes, that's right, the Muses from Hercules. 3 reasons why I love this cosplay so freaking much, and it is definitely on my list to do, is 1, you can wear your natural hair. The Muses are depicted with curly hair, and all the different styles that we can do with our natural hair, we could do pretty much every single one of the Muses hairstyles, which makes me really happy. Second, their outfits are very just light, airy, just kind of like the Grecian outfits, very toga, very light, very airy, and I love that about them. And also, you get to sing. They sing the entire movie. Who doesn't want to wear a cosplay where they can sing? The final and 5th cosplay that I think is great for summer is, yeah, that's right, we're headed to Beach City. It's Stevonnie. I love Steven Universe. I know you guys love Steven Universe as much as I love Steven Universe, and if you haven't seen Steven Universe, please watch Steven Universe. Watch it. It's amazing. It's absolutely amazing. And Stevonnie is the fusion of Steven and Connie, and I love them both, and her outfit is just some shorts and a tank top and Steven's shirt underneath. It is very airy, very nice to wear. It's in Beach City, so you know the weather's warm there all the time, so it's perfect for the summertime. And Stevani is a very popular cosplayer on Instagram right now. Everybody's doing it because we all love Steven Universe, and it's one of the few cosplays from Steven Universe where you don't have to paint your entire body. And body paint in the summertime isn't always great, depending on how good you are at it. So, okay everyone, that is it, Sunshine Squad. Those are 5 amazing cosplays that you can do for the summer, and I hope you do them all. If you do, please tag me. I would love to see them. I want to just spread love to you guys on Instagram, Facebook, wherever you're doing these. I want to see. It is amazing. Don't forget to follow me on social media. I also want to let you know that next week we are going to be doing a really fun makeup look, and I'm going to be turning into everybody's sponge under the sea. I'm so excited. So stay tuned for that, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and don't forget to be your own kind of beautiful and weird. Love you. Stay weird.